long strap on this. And guys, the inside of the bag. The inside of the bag is so clean. No stain. No torn. No nothing. And then there is a date code over here on this. Again, there is a tag over here, and it's just so hard to, it's hard to show you the number. But I believe this is FL113. That means this bag was made in 2013, if I'm not wrong. But I can actually give you the date code of this bag. And also, it's in the certificate of authentication. So, if I'm not wrong, if the date code of this is FL113, that means this bag was made in 2013. 2013. So, it's been, what, 13 years. And, let's see if we can hook this strap. Let's see if we can hook this strap. So let's hook this strap here. And the strap is still in a very, very good condition. And the strap is also adjustable. The strap is also adjustable. Let's see. Okay, so now we got it. And again, look at the zipper. It's really good. The condition is, this bag is really like brand new. So, look at that. Look at that, guys. It's so nice. I like this size because it's not overwhelming. And whether you're going to the party or you're going to travel, this is nice. This is a nice bag to have. It's really nice. Again, there's 2 keys. And then the lock is also still in a very, very good condition. This bag looks like brand new.